BitMart Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. BitMart is a global cryptocurrency exchange that has been gaining traction for its user-friendly interface, diverse range of trading pairs, and robust security features. In this video, I'll share my personal experience using BitMart, covering its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your time and money. BitMart offers spot trading, futures, staking, and a launchpad for new tokens, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. The platform supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, as well as lesser-known altcoins. If you're into exploring new projects early, BitMart's token listings are frequent, with many small-cap tokens that aren't available on larger exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. One of the standout features for me has been BitMart's Earn section, where you can stake your crypto or participate in flexible savings plans to earn passive income. The rates are competitive, especially for popular coins like USDT and BTC. Additionally, their referral program is a nice way to earn extra rewards by inviting friends to join the platform. From a security standpoint, BitMart is generally safe with two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, and regular security audits. However, it's worth mentioning that BitMart did experience a hacking incident in late 2021. Since then, they've significantly improved their security protocols, and users were reimbursed after the breach. But it's a reminder to always enable 2FA and, if possible, avoid storing large amounts of crypto on any exchange. The trading fees on BitMart are competitive at 0.25%, but you can lower them further by holding BMX tokens, BitMart's native token. If you're an active trader, this is something to consider. The mobile app is another highlight. I've found it smooth, fast, and easy to navigate, which is essential for on-the-go trading. As for downsides, BitMart's customer support can be a bit slow at times, and fiat deposit options are somewhat limited compared to bigger exchanges. Also, KYC verification is required for full functionality, which might be a downside for users prioritizing anonymity. In conclusion, BitMart is a solid choice if you're looking for a wide selection of altcoins, passive income opportunities, and an intuitive trading experience. However, it may not be the best option if you're prioritizing top-tier fiat gateways or lightning-fast customer service. Overall, my experience has been positive, and I'd recommend it to anyone interested in trading lesser-known coins and participating in token launches.